you're gonna be at a music festival, odds are we're gonna be there.
Being at EDC, right?
Yeah, so this is our first time vending with Insomniac and the Electric Daisy Carnival. We vend about 40 different music festivals a year. We travel all over the country and just do these music festivals one weekend after another.
Tell me, what's your life like? How much do you travel? How much do you stay at home?
We travel 10 months out of the year, stay at home 2 months out of the year. The way that the festivals work is most of the time load-in is on Wednesday. The festival is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Then load-out is Monday, and then we drive to the next festival on Tuesday and do it all over again.
When do you sleep?
In between.
Yeah.
In between drives and working, but when you're having this much fun, sleep isn't really on your mind too much.
Burritos, loaded mac and cheese balls, loaded mac and cheese, Cosmic Charlie's.
Here at the music festival, there's so many moving parts, but the part that we focus on is the food production part of it.
How is it?
Good.
It's good, right? Yeah.
Really good.
I've had that before. It's amazing.
And that is a huge element in itself.
Do you ever change your menu depending on what festival you're going to?
Never.
Never.
We're Cosmic Charlie's. We have a brand. We do loaded macaroni and cheese bowls, really far out burritos, and loaded fries. We call it gourmet stoner food.
How did you pick it up?
A lot of research and development. Your credit card company thinks we're trying to steal your money.
So I just noticed there was a potential issue with your POS system. How do you handle last minute issues?
Yeah, well, you just do the best you can. You can't control all of it, so don't stress out. Just, it's gonna happen, things are gonna fall apart. You know, you're gonna get to a place and they're not gonna have water for you, they're not gonna have power for you.
You're kidding.
Sometimes, so what we do, our motto is, if you can vend in a parking lot with absolutely nothing, you can vend anywhere. And that's the beauty of vending out of a food truck versus a tent, because I don't need water. I have a 30-gallon fresh water tank that I hauled it in. Worst case scenario, I don't need power. I have a beautiful generator that's bolted to the frame. So in essence, I need nothing, which makes it very attractive to the festival promoters to have us come in and do it, because they know if they have Cosmic Charlie's, they don't have to worry about anything because we got it covered.
What's your advice for someone that's trying to get into the festival circuit, whether it be electronic music, whether it be rock music, no matter what it is? What's your advice to them?
Don't give up. It takes a lot of networking to get in, but you have to put yourself out there. You have to continue to meet people, continue to do things, and just don't give up. You go on their website and you click apply to be a vendor, and you apply, and if you get turned down one year, you just keep applying. Persistency, don't give up.
What's your normal clientele like? What are the type of people that come up to get your food?
Yeah, so we really focus on the hippies, the freaks, and the dreamers. Everybody is having such a good time, and everybody saved up money to come here. This is like their one big event. So now that the sun is up, you get a little bit more of the normal people, but man, when the sun goes down, I could write a book with some of the stories and people that I have fed, you know? And the key is just be nice. Be nice, be cool, be fun.
Well, Charlie, thank you so much for answering all of our questions. I know everyone is going to be so excited to listen to what you have to say. Let's eat.
Yeah, thank you guys.